Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Kiri, kumanta ka muna nun eh.
Children behave. That's why we play and work together.
Yeah. Oh, binayo pa natin. Sing ka na home. Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. Today it's Saturday. Ngayon, we're going back to Subaru and i-check natin kung makukuha na ng asawa ko yung very wish niyang sasakyan at birthday wish niya sa sarili niya talaga. So, let's go guys! And we have 2 separate birthday vlog para sa aking asawa. So, let's go! Guys, welcome back to our vlog. Say hi. Guys, we here in Subaru and tinatry na namin yung best na makuha yung gustong sasakyan ng asawa ko ngayong birthday niya. So, nagka-permahan or something, but we waiting kung makukuha na namin ngayon yung kulay na gustong-gusto niya. So, nandito kami sa isang showroom sa Subaru. Sweetie, mag-say hi ka. Hi! Excited ka na ba? Ito ba siya?
Kasi sabi mo iba din.
Ayan, yung nasa taas. Oo.
Ito, meron naman talaga lahat.
Ayan. Ayan siya. So excited. Happy birthday, sweetie. So I got a service done. So I just wanted to show you what was done when he basically serviced. And she needs to.
Hi, I'm Vanessa and I work here at Subaru Orange Coast. I wanted to say happy birthday to Dingo. He's getting the car today, but also we can promote, if you want, I can show you the Ascent right here.
Yes.
So the Ascent that one's actually a touring. So it's our highest trim out of all of them. It's a 7-seater, so it just have a 3rd row. And it has front ventilated seats as well. Real leather for that one as well.
Okay, they will be contact with you. So tell where you're gonna be contact.
Yeah. So if you ever would like a car or anything, my name is Vanessa Sanchez, but my contact number is 657. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
It's
231
okay.
5472. I have like 2 numbers. So,
Okay.
yeah, so that one is the best one, the 657-231-5472.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Of
Vanessa.
course. This is your books. You have your second key right here.
That's the second
Yes, that's your second key. And we brought you back, so if you want to clean out your...
Guys, nag-aayos na si Sweetie ng kanyang Subaru kasi ayan na. Papalit na kami ng sasakyan for our birthday. Happy ka na ba, Sweetie ko? Yes. Finally, we got our Subaru car. Ayan na. Welcome, Bulo 17 to our family and hope we will safe now and then. And my husband is very happy. Sobrang nakakatuwa to do all efforts. And talagang happiness namin bonggang-bongga. And nice birthday gift to sa aking asawa. And deserve niya yan because he work hard sobra talaga. So guys, see you in my next vlog. Paano namin nakuha ang matagal na rin namin gusto na sasakyan. And the same brand pa rin, Subaru. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog. See you again in my next vlog. Thank you.